y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is another Trunk Club unboxing and try on. Y'all know Trunk Club is quickly becoming one of my favorite clothing subscription boxes. I like the fact that it's a Nordstrom box, so when Nordstrom is having a sale, those sales are reflected on your Trunk Club app, so you don't pay full price when you could get something cheaper in store. And that's not something that I have to do, like it's automatically done on the app. Another thing about this box, I had no idea when my stylist Carson curated this for me that Brian and I would in the future plan this like tropical trip to Jamaica, and the items in here are adorable. Also, a couple things that she had sent me weren't really my style, so I opted out of her sending them. And so what she did was she picked pieces to replace those, and it's jewelry and a hat, which would be perfect for vacation. The first thing that I want to try on that I haven't tried on yet is this hat. I only own maybe one other beach type hat. My sister sent it to me a while ago, a couple years ago. Brian and I wore it. I wore it on a trip with Brian. I believe we went to the Bahamas, maybe. All right, this is the brand Treasure and Bond. It says one size. I got a pretty big head, so we're about to see if this one size fits. Okay. How cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, am I supposed to pull it down more? Because more, and it's a little tight on my forehead. I don't think I'm supposed to. I think I'm supposed to wear it like this. Or is my head supposed to be like way up here? Anyway, this is kind of cute. Kinda. I'm looking at the monitor right here. Okay, this is not bad. Oh, it's giving me like vacation vibes already. The other one that I have is like a big one, like a big floppy hat for the beach. Like this would be cute to wear with like some shorts and sandals and a tank top, just like shopping. Okay, so this is called the Raffia Mix Panama Hat. Treasure and Bond is the brand, I already told you. $39. I'm going to go ahead and open the jewelry. I haven't opened it yet. Obviously, I saw a little preview, like sneak peek on the app, but I haven't actually opened these. I know they're both Kendra Scott brand, which I don't think I own anything from Kendra Scott, but from what I read and hear about it, it's a really nice brand. Okay, these are earrings. How adorable. They're like a rose gold. Ooh, they're like heavy duty. So these are what the earrings look like. I'm not going to try them on because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. But those are really, really pretty. Yeah, those would be really pretty for summertime. Just like an easy, lightweight. They're not heavy. When I say heavy duty, I mean like good quality. I don't mean heavy duty like they're heavy on your ears. So these are called the Sophia Drop earrings in rose gold. Oh my gosh, my paper ripped. Oh, just kidding. 50 bucks. Next one I'm pretty sure is a bracelet. Jilly bracelet, I'm pretty sure. I like bracelets. I don't really wear them that often. I think I just forget about them. Basically, I need a whole setup for my jewelry. I just have a bunch of earrings and stuff, and I need some sort of setup to display them all so that I can see them. Oh, that is beautiful. Look how pretty that bar is on there. So this is called the Jilly Adjustable Bracelet, $55. Rose gold filigree is what they say. I wonder how you adjust it. I figured it out. You just pull. I'm terrible at demonstrating things. But you just pull these little strings and they adjust to be bigger or smaller. So you don't even need no help to put it on. Okay, that's really pretty. I do also have two pair of shoes, so let's get into those first before we get into the clothes. First thing are these like waterproof snakeskin boots. Y'all know I got a thing for snakeskin. It's like, I don't know where it came from. I didn't know where. All of a sudden, like snakeskin printed things were my jam. These, however, are a little bit too small. They're a size 9.5. The brand is Blondo. I love them, but I was afraid to zip them in the back. Like I didn't want to get my heel, like that skin, caught in the zipper. So I didn't zip them all the way. I would need a size larger. Like that half size I think would be perfect because the toe and the length and everything was fine. It was just this back heel part that I didn't think was going to make it, and I didn't want to chance it. I don't think this is the first time I've ever tried on these waterproof boots, but these are my favorite pattern. Actually, in the app, when you get your trunk for preview, you can choose to send items as is, or you can click on them and select different colors if they're available. So Carson had initially sent me these in, I want to say like a tan or like a camel color, and I went through the colors and realized there was a snake skin printed option and went for these instead. So I'll write to her and let her know that I like them, but I think that I just need a size bigger, or a half size bigger I think would be fine. These are called the Netta Waterproof Booty Natural Snake Print Leather, $119.95. Are you surprised? I mean, I just went on a whole spiel about how snake printed things are my thing. All right, these are Steve Madden little like tiny clunky heeled sandals. How adorable. I love these. These are in a size 10. They fit perfect. I love this like band across the toe versus like a thong toe. I also love these. However, they were real hard to get undone and to get on. I guess because this is just so thick and brand new. You need to wear them in a little bit. Okay, let me know in the comment section what you think about this kind of heel on me. I know the pants I'm wearing with it, I probably wouldn't wear with these shoes. I'd wear something a little bit skinnier or tighter or even shorts. I don't know if this is tall enough for me. Like I would almost rather have it flat or maybe like another inch. Let me know though, because I really like these and I think I would really get a lot of great wear out of them this summer and even on vacation. These are called the April Block Heel Sandal. Natural Snake is the color. $79.95. I should probably be telling you the prices on the app because those are the ones that are going to reflect, that's the site that's going to reflect the cheaper if there's a sale. Okay, so these are not on sale, so they are $79.95. The earrings, the hat, and the bracelet are all those same prices that I already told you, as are the waterproof booty. So from now on, I'll tell you the prices on the app. That way if something's on sale, you know about it. Now let's talk about these white denim boyfriend jeans. These are Cut From The Cloth brand in a size 20. They're the Catherine boyfriend jeans. I own the Catherine boyfriend jeans in a darker denim and love them, absolutely love them. We know Cut From The Cloth is notorious for stretching a little bit. These are no exception. I had them on for maybe 20 minutes after I filmed this video, just walking around in the shoes and stuff to see if I really liked them. And these did stretch quite a bit. I kept a pair of white denim, more like jeggings from Walmart recently, and they were like 13 bucks, and I've already worn them a couple times and love them. But these are a true denim, but do I need a true white denim boyfriend jeans? That's what I'm saying. Like, I don't know. I like boyfriend jeans. I love the style, but I don't know if I like that slouchier style in white. These fit great though, the size and everything, the length, and they're really comfortable. So these are in the color Optic White and they are $99. Let's stick with the bottom trend. These surprised me so much. These are Vince Camuto in a size 20 and they're like ankle dress pants in a navy. I'm pretty sure it's navy. These fit phenomenally. Like I've tried Vince Camuto before. I think a couple boxes ago, I got a pair of pants similar to this in a size smaller, and they didn't really fit, so I sent them back. But this one size up, it's just, like, I have no words how great these feel on my body. These would be perfect for work. However, I don't know if I would want to use them for work because I do, like, sweat a lot and I don't know, I don't want to ruin them, but if I'm going to keep them, then I need to actually wear them. Yeah, these are amazing. I love the length of these. The fit of these is great. I like the pockets. I actually prefer my pockets to pucker out a little bit. I know in my Old Navy video that I did recently, I got a lot of comments on shorts because the pockets puckered a little bit, but I like that. I don't mind it. These do it a tiny bit. Okay, the color is Classic Navy, and they are $89. They're called the Stretch Twill Crop Pants. All right, let's talk about this. This BP brand, like button-up, spaghetti strap, tie front top. That is a lot going on right here. This was initially going to come to me in a white, I believe, but I liked this orange color so much better. I don't know if it looks on me how I want it to look on me. Like, it's the right size. it's almost a little bit baggy because the armpit area kind of hangs a little bit lower than my bra. So I think it's the right size. I just think it's a little bit short and a little bit too clingy for me. But the color is amazing. The straps are adjustable. This is in a size 2X. That brand is BP. I'm pretty sure I just said that. But I thought this was such a cute top for summer. Like, imagine this if it fit properly with a pair of like white denim shorts and that hat and just some sandals. Would be so cute. But I know that all of y'all are like watching this at home thinking, girl, that does not fit. This is called the tie hem tank top. 2X is the size, orange clay is the color, and it's $22. So here's my thought, and you tell me what you think. For this trip that we're going on to Jamaica later this year, do I need to keep something like this? I mean, for 22 bucks, I could wear it with some shorts over a swimsuit, you know? So let me know what you think. It's pretty. All right, this top I was excited for, sort of. Let me explain. It's off the shoulder. That's the part of it that I was like, do I really want off the shoulder? But then when I saw the sleeves, I couldn't say no. Look at them. So this is from the brand City Chic. It's in a size medium or an 18. It fits perfect, which is funny because Carson sent me a dress, I believe last box, in the same size, and there was no way possible it was going to fit. I actually got stuck in it. So it's funny that this fits. I think this could be a really, really cute vacation top. I was actually wearing those white jeans when I tried this on and thought this is a really cute dinner outfit. I was going to say for vacation, but really a dinner outfit for anything. So this is called the Romantic Off the Shoulder Bell Sleeve Top. This one has a price reduction. It was originally $69. It is now $48.30. Next top, and I think the last top, yeah, I've got a jacket and a dress hanging here. This is also a black top. This is from the brand Sanctuary. It's in a size 2X. I loved this. Pulling it out of the box and out of the packaging. I just like the little tie sleeve detail, the fit of it, the fabric, everything I loved. And then I saw the bottom and it's got this little like sheer overlay type stuff at the bottom. I hate that. I know it's like an extra detail of the top, but it's just not me. I would just rather it not be there at all. Like cut it off before that or extend the original fabric. Other than that, this was a little bit see-through, but I am in front of these bright lights, so I kind of turned the lights down a little bit for these black items so that you could get a better idea of what it looks like on an everyday basis. Yeah, if this one didn't have this little bit of extra down here, I would love it and I would probably keep it. So this is called the Sanctuary Sylvie Tiered Hem Linen Tee 2X, $54. Are y'all ready for this next item? I'm not sure you are. This is a City Chic dress in a medium, which is a size 18, and it fits perfect. Is it a dress or is it like a cover-up? I'm not really sure. But look at this pattern. This fit so well. It's got like quarter length, 3/4 length sleeves that tie up, they button. It's got elastic in the waist, so it cinches you in. Y'all know I'm into that. It is a little bit shorter, but it's double lined so that you can't actually, if y'all can tell. Is it double lined? It's not. I thought it was. It's just like super thick, I guess. This screams vacation to me. How fun would this be for a trip? So I guess you could wear it as a beach cover-up, though you can't see through it. However, it does have like a little hook closure here. I'm trying to show you. Yeah, a little hook closure here. So it is open a little bit around your boob area. So you may feel more comfortable wearing it over a swimsuit. I would wear this as a dress. This is beautiful. So this is called the Seville Tunic Dress. Original price $99. This is on sale for $69.30. So let me know if y'all think I should keep this for vacation. And the very last thing in my box, I know it's a lot. Trunk Club usually comes with 12 pieces. This is a business coat. What are the words I'm trying to find? Sports coat. Dress jacket, maybe dress jacket. One State is the brand. The size is in a 20. It does have shoulder pads, but on it looks phenomenal. This is a true black, one button. Look at that inside fabric, like style, and it's just beautiful. This I actually put over that orange tank top and buttoned it, and it was so cute. So it gave me this idea. Instead of buying this and using it for work, which I wouldn't really do, I don't wear this type of stuff to work. Even if I am anchoring, I don't wear jackets like this, but you could wear it like with an outfit to dinner to dress up your outfit. Like a slinky tank top, skinny jeans, and heels, and then throw this over it. Is that a thing or no? Like, y'all let me know. The fit I thought was perfect, and I don't think I've ever in my entire life come across a jacket that fit as well as this one. I don't know how much it is though, so that could very well deter me from ever wanting to own this in my life. So this is called the Classic Crepe Blazer. Rich black is the color, 20 is the size, $129. Is that a bad price or is that a great price? So that's a wrap on this video. I will leave a link to sign up for Trunk Club in the description box down below. It's always there in these types of videos if you want to try it. Also, I'll go to Nordstrom's website and find links for all of these individual things. Link them down below. That way, if you want something, you can get it directly if you don't want to sign up for the box. So that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below what you liked. Tell me, do I need the dress and the hat? Those are the two things right now at the end that stick out to me. The dress and the hat, the bracelet also. I'm looking at it right there. That could be a really great gift. Like I could save it and give it as a gift to someone, you know? All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.